In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a parent row in Smartsheet. Creating a parent row is a simple way to organize related tasks or items under a single heading, so your sheet stays clean and easy to read. Think of a parent row as a main category, and the rows underneath it as the details or subtasks. Once you know how to do this, you can quickly group information and collapse or expand it whenever you need. Start by opening your Smartsheet and locating the rows you want to group together. Look down the left-hand side where the row numbers are displayed. Identify the row that you want to become a child row, meaning it will live under a parent. Now, here's the key part. Make sure there is at least one empty row, or a row, reserved for the parent directly above that child row. You don't want the top row in the sheet to be a child row, because a parent must always sit above it. Click on the row number of the row you want to turn into a child. This will highlight the entire row, making it clear which row you are working with. Double check that there is a row above it that will act as the parent. That parent row can already have a name or description, like a project phase or a category label, or you can add that text later. Next, look to the left of the row, near the row number, for the indent controls. You'll see small icons that allow you to indent or outdent the row. With your child row still selected, click the indent button. As soon as you do this, Smartsheet will automatically turn the row above into a parent row, and the highlighted row will shift slightly to the right, indicating that it is now a child. You'll also notice a small expand or collapse icon appear next to the new parent row. This lets you quickly hide or show the child rows beneath it, which is extremely helpful when managing long sheets or complex projects. If you indent multiple rows underneath the same parent, they will all be grouped together. If you make a mistake, simply select the row again and click the outdent button to move it back to the main level. That's all there is to it. By highlighting a row, leaving one row above it, and using the indent control, you can easily create parent rows in Smartsheet and keep your information structured and easy to manage.